Hi, I'm 𝗂𝗏𝗂𝗃, owner and creator of Catch the Fire worship flags, where we help you elevate your praise to the next level. Welcome to the Catch the Fire worship flags online auction. Here's how it's going to work. Each flag available for auction is sold as is and cannot be exchanged or returned. They are well loved and well used, and some may have flaws. Please listen and watch for the description. I will describe the size, materials, and any flaws that may be noticeable. Auction prices start at $49 for double layer worship flags. It includes free shipping in the USA. Each item will have an item number listed at the bottom of the screen. Auction bids must be in full dollar amounts and be a minimum of $2 increments. In the comments below this video, there will be a corresponding comment with the item number from the page admin. If you wish to make a bid, reply to the comment with the item number with your bid. The bidding for that item will be over when the admin comments over and will provide payment instructions to the winning bid. Auction winners will be asked to send an email with their shipping address. Flags are ready to be shipped on the next shipping day. Flags that are not sold will be sold on the website for $59. This is item number 𝗂𝗁𝗂𝗂𝗏. These were the original flag called Holy and Blameless. It is a two-layer shimmer, white, they're both white shimmer, and a white sheer. This is kind of like a very crystallized, almost looks like diamonds. It's beautiful. They are quite well loved. It is standard size. The pole is 36-inch wood pole. They are angel wing 54 by 54 and in action. This is item number 𝗂𝗁𝗂𝗂𝗏. This is item number 𝗂𝗁𝗂𝗂𝗂�2. This is the early stage of called Forgiven. They're only two, they're double layer with a white shimmer and a red sheer. They have been well used and well loved. They are standard size, 54 by 54 angel wing shape. The pole, it's a wood pole, 36-inch long. This is item number 𝗂𝗁𝗂𝗂𝗂�2. This is item number 𝗂𝗁𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗃. They are called New Hope. They were never available on Catch the Fire. I made these exclusively just for myself. They are two-tone yellow, double layer, standard size, 54 by 54 angel wing with a 36-inch wood pole. This is item number 𝗂𝗁𝗂𝗂𝗃. This is item number 𝗂𝗁𝗂𝗂𝗃, a two-layer worship flag with a purple sheer and a gold metallic. Standard size, 54 by 54 inch in the fabric. The pole is a wood pole. It's a 36-inch wood pole. This is item number 𝗂𝗁𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗃. This is item number 𝗂𝗁𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗃. It's a two-layer, full multi-layer worship flag, angel wing, standard size, 36-inch wood pole. These were never available in the Catch the Fire worship flags shop. They are really gorgeous. This purple, the sheer has, it's almost like diamonds. It's very shimmery. Then this second layer has it's a printed organza sheer fabric, purple, which matches the purple on the first layer, and the back side is silver. These were actually for a Christmas performance with the king was born in the royal city, being that with the stars, it's almost like a Star of David, and the purple meaning worship in the king. This item is 𝗂𝗁𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗂 This is item number 𝗵𝗁𝗂𝗧𝗓𝗃. They're called Repentance. They are a rectangular flag, two layers with bronze and gold. The pole is actually a 32-inch pole, wood pole, so you have the bronze, the gold, and the bronze together. This is item number 𝗵𝗁𝗂𝗧𝗓𝗃. This is item 𝗵𝗁𝗂𝗃, a 2-layer pair of flags with a purple sheer and a purple shimmer together. They are standard size, 54 by 54 with a 36-inch wood pole. This is item number 𝗵𝗁𝗂𝗃.